Hello everybody and welcome to another viral video. In this video I'm going to show you how can you download Facebook video in HD quality. So this is amazing tricks which you can apply and download in HD quality. So before we begin, please support us by clicking that subscribe button and turning on this bell notification. So let's get started. So first of all we are going on Facebook and I want to download this video in HD. So make sure that this will be posted into public, then only we can download. So this is in public, so we can download this. So then we are going to right click on this video and show video URL, and then we will copy this, copied, and then we will open new incognito window. We have opened this and we will paste and go to the facebook.com. We have pasted, and now again we will go on, right click here and go to view page source. Now after we came home here, we will type Control F, and then after Control F we will type it SD underscore SRC, and then you can see here SD SRC. After that you can see this HTTPS. After this double quote, you can copy this and go to you can see before SRC. Okay, before STSRC we will copy clear. Before STSRC, you can see here STSRC. Before this we will copy this one and we will open new tab and we will paste it here and click enter. And now click here and right click here and go to save video as, and then we will rename this video file name. Suppose I am going to write nature, and I will click save and it's going to download. I will close all the folder and I open this file video. Now you can see it's opening and it is in HD quality. So in this way you can download any Facebook video in HD quality easily. So I think this video helps you a lot. So thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel and support me. Thank you.